The Caribbean Beach Resort is one of the largest resorts on Disney property in Walt Disney World. It is themed after 5 Caribbean islands, has 6 pools, 1 table service restaurant, and best of all, it has 2 stops on the Skyliner.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, where every day feels like a Junkanoo celebration.
When you arrive at the Caribbean Beach Resort, you arrive at Old Port Royale. This is the name of the main lobby with front desk reception, which will be on your left. And on your right is the gift shop and food court called Centertown Market. Centertown Market offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner with Latin and American offerings. You can walk up to order, use mobile ordering, or take advantage of the grab-and-go items. Once outside Old Port Royale, the pool, called Fuentes del Moro, and I apologize for butchering that, is on your left. You can climb aboard the pirate ships or just relax in the Caribbean atmosphere. Next to the pool is the pool bar, Banana Cabana. The bartenders are friendly and the drinks are cold. Here's an overview of the resort so you can see each themed section and where they are located in relation to Old Port Royale.
We have a marina, the pool, and Martinique, which is a group of buildings right over there. But first, let's check out this cute little boat marina area with a lighthouse, and you can see the Skyliner in the background. But look how cute this is. It's so islandy. So these buildings, I would say, would be the preferred buildings. One, because they are right by Old Port Royale, the pool, the food court, all that which is in there. 2, because that right over there is the Skyliner. You can get on over there because this is the Riviera Resort. So those are definitely some nice rooms to have. I have a pirate-themed room, which is all the way over in Trinidad South, and it is super far away. However, it is also close to another Skyliner area where you can get on, so that's nice. And we'll see how that works out when I'm getting up in the morning to go to Epcot bright and early. Okay, so this is a little area with games. This is fun. Looks like they have Connect 4, and this, I don't know what you guys call it, but I call this ladder golf. Tell me what you call it down in the comments below, because I've heard other names for it too, and I just don't know what else to call it. And there's a chess set. So this is cute. We play Wizard's Chess. Let's play Wizard's Chess. I don't have anyone to play it with. I'm by myself. All right. So across the lake, first of all, there's a little marina with 1 boat, so there's that. But all the buildings across, there's different groups of buildings at this resort, and they're all themed after different islands. And those are part of the resort as well, the Caribbean Beach Resort. So there's different islands. You can see right there, that is Sebastian's Bistro, which is where we will be eating dinner tonight. And then this is Old Port Royale, which is where you check in, the lobby, the food court, their market, the gift shop, all that's in there. But anyways, so there are different groupings of islands here, aka different groups of houses, buildings that you stay in. And they're themed after an island. So like I said, that over there is Martinique. I'm in Trinidad, which is the farthest away. And in between, they have like Jamaica, Barbados, Aruba. Let's go check them out. So here's some more groupings across the lake of the different building areas. So where Trinidad is from here, if you see that bridge down there where people are driving over, there is a road. I'm on the other side of that. So it is quite a distance. But it's a beautiful resort, and it looks like there are some turtles out there in the water. I'm honestly not sure if they're real or fake. They're not moving, but we're gonna pretend like they're real because that's fun. Wildlife. All right, so we are going into the Caribbean Key. And yes, C-A-Y is pronounced key for those who don't know. Little FYI fun fact for you. And it's just so cute through here because it feels like you're, I don't know, walking through the jungle a little bit. It's not a jungle in the islands, right? I don't know. But you can keep walking through this fun little path. We can come over here. We're gonna go this way and just see where it takes us. Oh, it takes us to the playground. Okay. There's a little green area here overlooking the lake. And then there's a playground here. Caribbean Key Playground. Children ages 2 to 12. This is fun. So you can exit over there, which I think is what we're gonna do. But there's also the exit back here, which is kind of the direction we came. Look at that bamboo, wow. All right, we're gonna go up here because I want to go to the other side of the lake and see the buildings, all the islands, quote unquote. Oh, I can see the Skyliner. We're gonna ride that in a little bit. Look at that view. I believe the yellow buildings are Jamaica. Very beautiful. There's like a little beach area right over there. All right, let's go check out this area, see which island grouping this is. How beautiful is this resort? That right there, that is the pool. And Old Port Royale is just to the right of it. And guys, we're still in Jamaica. Let's keep going. So it almost looks like you're leaving the resort once you get down to this end, but honestly, it's not the end. It just feels that way because there's a road, but I will point some things out to you when we get up to it. So there's that bridge I was telling you about. And that over there is Trinidad, the islands that I am staying. It's where the pirate themed rooms are. And here's the Skyliner. One thing I do want to point out, so this is the end of 2022, and at this time, it looks like they are doing some refurbishment on some areas of the resort. All that really means is that they have a couple things closed off right now, but it's nothing major at this moment when this is being filmed. Right now, it just looks like these beaches But honestly, I wouldn't be at those anyway because of the possibility of alligators in the water. So that is a enter at your own risk anyways. I will say they don't actually allow resort guests into the waters. They do have things blocked and clearly marked stating that you are not allowed to enter because there could be alligators or snakes in the water. I say enter at your own risk in jest. It's very serious. Don't do it, guys. These beautiful pink buildings.
Sebastian's Bistro is open for dinner only, and the menu is served family style. You will get a little bit of everything on the menu, and it is all delicious. At $32 per adult and $19 per child, you get house-baked rolls with guava butter and caramelized onion jam, and the spice necklace salad as a starter. For your entree, you get the Taste of the Caribbean, which has oven-roasted chicken, slow-cooked pork, and grilled beef served with a seasonal vegetable, rice and beans, and a vegetable curry. Lastly, there is a coconut pineapple bread pudding with caramel sauce and vanilla ice cream. It was amazing. They also offer a plant-based menu if you need it.
Apparently you can get Disney Crush for $64.99. Oh my gosh, all the Halloween stuff. I love the Halloween loungefly. It's adorable. We're gonna take a closer look, but first we need to take it all in. Those mugs are adorable. Oh my gosh, what is this? This wasn't candy corn. My daughter hates candy corn. This is super cute. Oh, that is adorable to hang in your kitchen. Okay, this loungefly. Let's check this out. Look at how cute that is. There we go. That's better. How cute. Ear headbands, that's what they call them, are $34.99. And then we have the beverage container. We have wine down at the bottom, with beer, and it looks like some, not cocktails, actually, more wine at the top. And glasses. And we've got snacks and water and soda, milk. Behind me is a whole wine wall. That's really cool. And Once Upon a Vine. How fun. You can even, if you're celebrating, check that out. If you want just a cup of vino, there you go. Lots of snacks. Lots of snacks. Walls full of snacks. What is this? Munchlings mystery pack. How cute. Very fun. It's a new thing, I guess. Alright, all the typical Disney snacks. Teas themed like Alice in Wonderland. I love it. These guys are adorable.